If you're looking for a better way to manage IT service requests, you've probably heard of GoTo Resolve. But is it really the best option for you? In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into how GoTo Resolve stacks up against other solutions and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Stay tuned till the end because I'm not just reviewing GoTo Resolve, I've got a few powerful alternatives to share that might be even better for managing IT requests. So let's get right into it. GoTo Resolve is marketed as a solution for IT service management that's easy to use and powerful enough for businesses of any size. And while that sounds great in theory, is it delivering on its promises? The platform allows teams to handle IT issues through a ticketing system, remote support tools, and real-time chat options. But how seamless are these features in practice? One thing I'll say up front, the remote support features are solid, but they don't quite compare to others that are more robust in the industry. If you're running a small team or a solo IT admin, GoTo Resolve might work perfectly fine, but if you're looking to scale or need more customization, you may hit some limitations. Next thing, let's talk about the user interface. GoTo Resolve makes a strong attempt to keep things simple, but it's not as intuitive as it could be. Setting up and navigating through tickets, managing teams, and analyzing reports can feel clunky if you're trying to juggle multiple service requests at once. There's definitely a learning curve. Now, let's discuss integrations. While GoTo Resolve offers integration with several platforms, you might find it lacking if your company relies on other specialized software for managing projects, communications, or workflows. If you're using more complex tools, GoTo Resolve might not be the seamless connection you're hoping for. Moving on to reporting. It's something a lot of IT service managers overlook, but good reporting can help you fine-tune your process over time. GoTo Resolve's reporting is functional, but lacks the depth and customization of some other tools on the market. This can be a bit frustrating if you're used to a platform that provides granular insights into your team's performance or the types of service requests you're receiving. Another thing worth noting is the price. GoTo Resolve isn't exactly the most budget-friendly option. You're paying for the brand name, but in some cases, other tools offer better value for your money, especially when it comes to scalability and extra features like automation and advanced reporting. And here's where it gets interesting. There are alternatives out there that provide more flexibility, better user experiences, and more advanced features at a similar or even lower price. I'll share these with you in just a bit. But before we get to that, let's circle back to the one feature that GoTo Resolve nails, remote IT support. It's one of the more efficient systems for connecting to end users in real time, which is an essential part of managing IT service requests. But that's really where the advantages stop when it comes to the overall platform. Now, here's the kicker. I've found some solutions that are better for managing IT service requests and offer even more comprehensive service with extended free trials. These platforms give you the same essential tools that GoTo Resolve offers, but with more flexibility and scalability to grow with your team's needs. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial available for these solutions, exclusive to our viewers, and the bonuses that come with it. These alternatives could be a better fit for your goals and will help you streamline your IT service requests in a way that GoTo Resolve simply can't match. So, whether you're using GoTo Resolve now or considering it for the first time, make sure to explore these alternatives for a better overall experience. Don't miss out on the free trials and extra perks. Check the first link in the description and see how you can start managing your IT service requests more efficiently today. And remember, the right tool can make all the difference.